Welcome to Dr. J. Francis YouTube channel. Did you know that in 2025, over 40% of marriage green card applications face delays or denials, many due to simple misunderstanding of the process timeline? Hi, I'm Attorney J. Francis. I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer based in Chicago and Wisconsin, but serve all 50 states. In this video, I will walk you through the exact timeline and key stages from filing Form I-130 to receiving your green card, with the tips on how to avoid the delays and request for evidence based on what we're seeing in our real cases this year. The marriage-based green card process has undergone significant changes in 2025. Current processing times are averaging 4 to 6 months. Not so bad, right? It's good, relatively fast. The good news is the USCIS has implemented some streamlining measures this year, but there are also new verification requirements that you need to be aware of. Number one, filing your marriage green card case. Now, we're talking about foreign nationals who enter with a visa, perhaps still maintain status or overstay, got married to U.S. citizen. If you're overseas or happen to enter without admission, then you need to look at other options, and then we have videos about other options as well. The circling back, you're in the US and you enter with a visa or parole and you got married to US citizen. Then your journey begins with a filing Form I-130 and Form I-45 at the same time. You submit I-130 and 45 at the same time. Also, you want to submit Form 765 for work permit, and then perhaps 131 for travel permit. In 2025, the government filing fees, USCIS filing fee, is about $3,005 if you include all of them, I-130, 45, 765, and 131 application. When preparing for your initial package, remember the USCIS is now placing extra emphasis on evidence of bona fide marriage. They want to see joint financial accounts, lease agreements, pictures spanning your relationship, and evidence of communication during any periods apart. Number two, what comes next after filing? About 1 to 2 weeks after submitting your application, USCIS will send official receipt notices confirming that they received your case. About the same time, you will also receive a biometrics appointment notice for foreign spouse to provide the fingerprints and photo for background checks. Very important step. Typically, E-80 work permit is issued right now within 60 to 90 days of filing, which is relatively fast. In some cases, USCIS may issue a combined E-80 and travel permit known as combo card. However, processing times for travel permit, we call it advanced parole, alone may range from 3 to 12 months and may be approved separately after E-80 approval. Number three, avoiding common delays. Many factors commonly cause delays in 2025 process. If you submit outdated USCIS form or incorrect forms, your application will be returned to you. It's called rejection. If you include incorrect filing fee amount, it will be rejected. So, incorrectly prepared initial application package will result in delays via rejection, but you have a second chance to do it. The request for evidence, we call it RFE, notices have increased about 35% this year by USCIS, especially regarding A64 affidavit of support requirements and marriage evidence. Also, when you submit your application, make sure that you submit 693 immigration medical exam report with everything else. Another common delay trigger is inconsistent information across applications. Sometimes if there's an issue or incorrect zip code, your application package could be returned to you via rejection. Very critical. Minor details, really important nowadays. USCIS has enhanced their verification system, so ensure all dates, addresses, and personal information match completely across all USCIS forms. Also notable for 2025, USCIS will routinely check your social media as a part of their fraud detection efforts. Ensure your online presence aligns with the relationship you're presenting in your application. Number 4, marriage green card interview. What's new in 2025? The marriage-based green card interview is typically scheduled nowadays 3 to 6 months after filing. One significant change in 2025 is that USCIS has largely ended pandemic-era policy or Biden-era policy of waiving interviews. Now, almost all couples must attend in-person interview. During this interview, immigration officer will evaluate the authenticity of your marriage and review all eligibility requirements. You probably know that on your 45 application, there's about more than 80 plus yes or no questions. They're going to review them very critically and completely now under Trump. They will ask about how you met, your daily routines, and details about your living situation. Be prepared to answer the questions separately in some cases, as USCIS has increased frequency of what they call Stokes interview, where spouses are questioned separately. After a successful interview, approval can come immediately online and within 2 weeks via notices, mail notices. If there are complications or additional documentation is required, then this could extend by another 30 to 120 days. Once approved, you'll typically receive your green card, physical green card, in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks later. Number 5, what happens after approval? Once green card is approved, the foreign spouse becomes a lawful permanent resident of the United States. If the marriage was less than 2 years old at the time of approval, USCIS will issue a conditional green card valid for 2 years. To maintain permanent resident status, you must file Form I-751 within 90-day period before the card expires. Failure to file on time can lead to loss of status and potential removal proceedings. If you receive a 10-year green card, then your next key immigration milestone is typically applying for U.S. citizenship after 3 years, provided that you remain married to and living with your U.S. citizen spouse. Number 6, final thoughts. Mastering marriage green card timeline in 2025. The marriage green card timeline in 2025 reflects both opportunities and challenges. Processing has improved in some areas, while additional verification steps have been added in others. Your best approach is through preparation, attention to detail, and staying informed about policy changes throughout your application process. But note, very important, additional changes coming to your way. So best approach is to file your marriage green card case now. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more immigration updates. Drop a comment below with any question about your specific situation. For a personalized guideline, visit our website or call Frances Law Center for free case evaluation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace be with you.